Welcome to Sunhill Assets, the next generation in asset management and hedge fund setup. The Sunhill team consists of a wide range of highly experienced bankers, brokers, and asset managers who oversee our core services. We offer wealth management with custom-built portfolios to suit your needs, our hedge fund all-in-one to create funds, risk management and revenue share for retail brokers to help increase profitability.
Hi guys, my name is Timothy Blanchard. I'm the Managing General Partner here at Sunhill Assets. We specialize in licensed structures, FX, hedge funds, anything like that, and we also help with banking, private banking for those particular type, high risk type entities. Today I got the idea for this video after seeing some adverts and some questions from clients. I'm seeing, this is actually one of our partners, and I'm seeing some advertisement that I know is not approved by the banks, because banks generally don't allow you to post videos of their stuff on TikTok, on YouTube and stuff like that. Here's happens to be an advert. I mean, would you subscribe to this? Listen to this.
JDB bank personal account. Complete 2 forms. Account opening and
This is a
international card
robot,
application.
guys. It's a robot. So whether you use us or use somebody else, you know, I made some quick notes for you to kind of look for when you're doing this kind of stuff. You know, you always got to be careful from the standpoint of who you're dealing with. Hold on a second. Let me go to my notes. There we go. So you always want to check the company that's acting as a consulting or direct representative of the bank. If you see a website and you see a TikTok advertisement or you see a YouTube advertisement, generally, and you hear a robot, that's your first sign that you probably shouldn't do business with them. It's probably a scam, guys. Okay, there's some people out there that are pretending to work with JDB Bank, acting as an actual officer of JDB Bank. I've read on the internet, and other banks. It's not just JDB Bank. I'm picking on JDB because we do a lot of business with them, and they're a great bank. And I really think these guys are demeaning the bank by doing, you know, TikTok, you know, with a robot. I mean, that doesn't incredible. You're seeing my face. Okay, there's no way if you contact those people that they would ever get on a Zoom call with you. And this is some of the things that you need to be looking at. If you're going to do business in this environment, you want to see who you're doing business with. Check the company's footprint on the internet. So what I mean is, if you Google Sunhill Assets, you'll see us everywhere. We've got MOU signings with firms. We've got all kinds of stuff. You can look me up on LinkedIn. You can see who we are. Okay, so always check the company that you're doing business with and look for their footprint. See if there's any negative reviews. See if anybody's talking about it. That, hey, they took my money and ran off. It's always a good thing. How did you find them? Were they referred? Did you find them on TikTok? Did you find them on YouTube? You found them on where you're cruising the internet? If they're a referral and whoever, your buddy sent it to you or another representative referred them and they said they've done business with them, it's a little more, you know, it's more credible. If you just find them on TikTok, they're probably just going to take your money and run. The other thing I always tell my clients is, if they're asking for money up front, okay, to open an account, never do it, because you're probably never going to get the account. Okay, what we do is we always do what we call a pre-KYC, and we deal with many corporations, FX, casinos, you know, other EMIs that use in our payment rails. So we've set up, we've done a couple Indian companies, PSPs, payment service providers, electronic money institutes. We've helped numerous companies get payment rails for SWIFT, TIBOT, and CNY. Okay, and we also help with the SEPA. We've got some FCA partners in addition. So if they ask for money up front to set up an account, don't do it. We always do what we call a pre-KYC. We go to our institutional partner or our banking partner. It takes like 2 weeks usually for them to go through the legal and make sure you're not blacklisted and make sure there's not issues. For them to come back to us and say, okay, we'll take the account at this risk category. Okay, at that point, you know, you're going to come back and we quote the fee that because of the risk category and the transactional fees. And the other thing is, ask them if they'll get on a Zoom call with you or get on a team call. I guarantee you 99% of these guys that are advertising on TikTok or YouTube or any of this kind of stuff, they're not going to get on a Zoom call with you, because they don't want you to know who it is. It's taking their money. So be very careful. The point is, only deal with reputable firms. If you have any questions, you know, send an email to info@sunhillassets.com, and we'll be more than happy to answer any questions you guys have, or visit our website at sunhillassets.com. Anyways, thank you guys, and if you got any questions, please put them in the questions below. Thank you.